So the ideas that we had collected from customer feedback analysis, I have put it over here under section feature requests, and under the customer votes section, I have mentioned how many references did we get for each of these ideas. For example, let's say working offline is not available. We got this idea mentioned in two customer feedback. So there were two references. So I have mentioned it as two customer votes. Now we are done with customer feedback analysis. These ideas that we have collected will be a source of input for the product planning session that we will be having. Now note that these are just ideas and these has to be validated, which we will be doing it in our product planning session. So now let's go ahead and study the market trends and do competitor analysis.